Hello everyone at Grange. I have quite a brief message for you today. It's the 21st of November 2022 and I just want to speak about why we do this thing called CC walking. Thing is, it's really going back to what we really believe at Grange and what makes us special at Grange. Is that we believe that each one of us has to be our very best and each one of us deserves to be our best. And that's what we call confidence. And the other side of it is that each one of us, when we are being our very best, that's impossible if we do not look outwards, if we don't think about other people, consideration, thinking about others. So when we walk with our hand on our heart, which we call CC walking, really what we're doing like that is we're saying, I don't do this for anybody else. I do this for myself, to be the best that I can be. I do this for myself to rise to the challenges and to build my future today. And I do this not only for myself, but out of consideration, knowing that I want to keep our school a calm place of learning, so people are moving smoothly through the school, so it feels safe and it feels joyous, it feels happy, it's a place of friendship, it's a place of calm, and it's a place of peace. And it makes such a difference when everybody does CC walking at our school. Just makes everybody feel better, and when everybody feels better, they can achieve more. So proud of all of you at Grange. I'm so proud of all of us at Grange doing our very, very best, making amazing, strong, good progress. And anybody who comes and visits our school can see it straight away. So well done to all of you. A CC salute. Put my hand on my heart to remind myself to be my very best. And I circle my hand outwards to say, I'm considering everybody around me. I have consideration. So CC salute to you. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the learning in the week ahead. May it be a joyous week full of health, deep learning, good progress, friendship, joy, and peace. Be great, be Grange.